Painting your walls can completely transform the feel of your space. It can make a room feel taller, wider, cozier, and even more dramatic. In this video, I'll show you 4 wall painting effects using real examples from Planner 5D. You'll get to see what each paint effect does, how it changes perception, and which one would work best in your space. Before we start, please make sure to like this video. In fact, if we get 100 likes, we'll make sure to make a part 2 going over even more paint effects. And if you haven't already, make sure to sign up for our free pro trial where you'll have access to all of our incredible design tools. All right, let's jump in. If a room feels too tall or cavernous, you can make it feel cozier by visually lowering the ceiling. Painting the ceiling a dark color helps pull it down visually and reduces the sense of height. This paint effect creates a more grounded and comfortable feel, which is perfect for tall rooms that feel a little empty. To make a space feel smaller and more enclosed, surround it with deeper, darker colors. Dark walls, ceilings, and floors absorb light and reduce visual volume. And as a result, the room feels smaller, cozier, and more contained. This is really great for open concept layouts that need a bit more definition and intimacy. Did you know you can either shorten or lengthen a room just by playing with its color placement? In this example, to shorten a room, a dark back wall draws the eye forward, making the room feel more shallow. In addition, adding an accent wall in a bold color helps compress the room front to back, while also creating a strong visual focal point. In this example of lengthening the room, extending the back wall color up onto the ceiling pulls the eye forward. When the ceiling and back wall are the same tone, it creates the illusion of added depth, which is especially effective in square rooms. You can even make your room feel wider or more narrow, just depending on how you place your paint. Adding paint to all the walls will expand the space horizontally. It helps give the room an open, airy feel. You can also help widen the space by using softer colors. If you want to narrow the room, dark sidewalls visually pull in the space. This trick can make a square room feel longer and more focused. Adding subtle contrast to the sidewalls while keeping the back wall bright narrows the space without making it feel closed off. Okay, I know that was a lot, so let's do a quick little recap. To lower the ceiling, use dark or warm ceiling colors to make tall rooms feel cozier and more grounded. To compact the room, surround a space with darker tones to create a smaller, more intimate feel. Change the room length. Dark back walls shorten a room. Want to stretch it? Extend that color onto the ceiling or match it with the back wall to pull the eye forward. And adjust the room's width. Lighter side walls make a room feel wider and more open. Darker side walls bring the space in and make it feel longer or more focused. Which paint effect was your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. Also, don't forget to like this video and try out that free pro trial. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.